how to create coupon codes for discounts on Wix. I'm on the homepage of Wix here, and from the left hand side we want to scroll down until we see marketing and SEO. Hover over this option and then choose coupons near the bottom. We will be given some different options for coupons here, so we're just going to click on new coupon and we can see a discount of your currency, a percentage discount, free shipping, sale price, and buy X get Y free. I'm going to do percentage discount here, and we can type out the coupon code name here. So what will the customers need to type out to get this discount? So I'm going to do net help. That's my YouTube channel name, and the discount percentage, how much percent you want this coupon code to be useful for. So for example, 15% off here, and apply to, we can do all products, specific category, or a minimum order subtotal. So I'm gonna do all products here, and we can also include subscriptions. We can set the date here for when the coupon code expires. So for example, if it's going to be valid for a month, I'm going to set this from the 7th of March to the 9th of April. And then we can also limit the total number of users, and we can limit it to 1 per customer. But basically, after we have set all of this here, we will click on create coupon, and that's how we create coupon codes on Wix. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.